Hello, FDR community. This is Mike Ruella, and I would like to provide you with an updated review of what a remote schedule will look like at FDR High School. I'm happy to inform you that we were able to incorporate additional opportunities for your son or daughter to connect remotely with their teachers. Our remote schedule will now align more closely with our hybrid schedule. First, I would like to discuss the FDR Bell Schedule. In order to provide additional assistance for remote instruction, we have modified our Bell Schedule to incorporate 1 hour of office time at the end of each school day. This will allow our staff the opportunity to answer student questions and connect with them to provide additional assistance if needed. Please note that first period will begin at 7:30 a.m. and eighth period will conclude at 1:20 p.m. This allows for 40-minute periods. During our remote instruction, all synchronous class sessions will run for a minimum of 25 minutes. Synchronous sessions are scheduled to begin at the start time of each period. There will be two components to our remote schedule: synchronous and asynchronous instruction. Synchronous instruction means a virtual meeting will occur between your student and their teacher through Google Meets for each course. Asynchronous instruction means that the teachers will post lessons, assignments, and/or materials for students to review, complete, and submit via Google Classroom. Students will follow their daily class schedule as they did in the hybrid model. FDR will operate under the standard 6-day letter cycle. Synchronous sessions will begin during their scheduled class time per the master schedule. All synchronous sessions will be a minimum of 25 minutes. No class will go beyond the period of time that is scheduled per the FDR Bell Schedule. Science labs may be done both through synchronous or asynchronous instruction. This will be at the discretion of the teacher. All synchronous labs will have an asynchronous makeup lab posted. Teachers will host daily office time where they will make themselves available to assist their students. During this time, teachers will be able to answer questions or concerns from students and parents, provide clarification on posted assignments, and provide additional support to students in need of assistance. Wednesday will be a flexible learning day for both in-person and remote students. This mimics our hybrid schedule. How do I identify what letter day it is? First, you should go to the FDR website. In the left-hand margin of the screen, you will see the title FDR Calendar. This is marked below by a screenshot of our website and a red arrow pointing to the calendar. This calendar provides you the date and the scheduled letter day. A screenshot on the right-hand side also provides you a larger image of what the calendar looks like on our website. This is a sample of a student schedule at FDR High School. In our top row, you should note the day of the week along with the scheduled letter day. Please remember that we operate on a 6-day cycle, and the schedule shown represents 5 of those 6 days. Please note that Wednesday is an asynchronous, flexible learning day. However, it is still part of our 6-day cycle. On the left-hand side, you will see periods 1 through 8 with their scheduled times. You will note that during first period, this student will meet with their science teacher Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday and Friday at 7:30 a.m. The class will meet for a minimum of 25 minutes. It will not go beyond the scheduled end time for period 1, which is 8:12. On ACE days, the student will meet with their physical education teacher starting at 8:16. On BDF days, the student is scheduled for a double period of science. Please remember that science labs can be done synchronously or asynchronously. Your science teacher will be able to provide additional information about their structured meeting times. Third period, the student is scheduled to meet with their art teacher at 9 a.m. Fourth period, they are scheduled to meet with their math teacher at 9:44 a.m. Fifth period, the student is scheduled for lunch and therefore will not have a Google Meet. Sixth period, the student is scheduled to meet with their social studies teacher at 11:12. Seventh period, the student is scheduled for study hall and therefore will not have a Google Meet. Eighth period, the student is scheduled for their English class and will meet with their English teacher at 12:40. Please remember that students will meet with their teachers following their bell schedule Mondays and Tuesdays. They will be asynchronous on Wednesdays, and then they will meet with their teachers Thursdays and Fridays, again, following their schedules per the FDR Bell Schedule. Thank you.